going to review Ruwac's HEC series. What is it? How does it work? And why do I need it? So basically, a high-efficiency cyclone has no moving parts. We're going to use cyclonics to spin the material out of the airstream and to dispose of everything down below into a drum. This particular unit happens to be under 8 cubic feet in volume. It is suitable for picking up combustible dust if you pair it with the right vacuum system. The entire system, when you buy an EX series system, would be conductive with conductive powder coating and conductive casters. But the nice thing about this system is it will move with the vacuum. It's paired up with the vacuum, so you can wheel it around all as one. But when you need to disconnect it, simply quick pins. You can simply disconnect this from the system, remove the drum, and take this away. You'll notice it's on forklift pockets, so you can easily take this away, pick it up with a forklift, and empty it. So we're going to put this to test today because the efficiency of the Cyclone is why you need a Cyclone. You're basically going to separate all this material in a Cyclone prior to reaching the vacuum's filtration system. That's going to keep the filters cleaner, longer, requiring less maintenance. All that dust is going to go in here. So I'm going to fire up this 300 CFM vacuum. I've got milk powder. This is a fine, fine powder. 20-inch floor tool. You'll see, first of all, we paired the power of this vacuum up to be able to move this material really quick. Big piles of this, ultra-fine dust. Now, how efficient is a Cyclone? That changes depending on what you're picking up, but it will filter all this submicron dust. So we picked up all of that dust. We're going to let the filter system come to a rest. Now we're going to look at what we have inside of the Cyclone system. I'm going to remove this. Remember, there is a plastic bag liner that you can simply add to this machine. But right now I don't have that. See all this ultra-fine smoke in there? That's what we're picking up and we're collecting inside of this separator. That means it's not traveling over to the vacuum. Let's take a look at the vacuum. I have a manual shaker. Now mind you, this is a dirty machine. It's not perfectly brand new to begin with, but you will see there is no dust, no white powder in there at all. So all that ultra-fine dust was captured in this Cyclone, making it an extremely efficient system. So why would you use a Cyclone? Pre-separate the material, consolidate it into an area where you can easily dispose of it, keeping your filters cleaner longer.